Wait for visitors. Check-in patients. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, hello there. Hello. Who are you? Oh, you're adorable. Hey. Okay. Why do you sound sick? I want to check in as a patient. Oh, yeah. Of course I'll do your little thingy. Here's a little picture for you. Yay. Okay, now I gotta do this. Yay. I don't know what your name is. I'm just gonna call you Carol. Thanks. I'll be in room 1. Let me open the door for you. Let me do that other stuff. I'm guessing you need herbs or something like that. Okay. Take a sample. Boop! Ouch! Ouchie! Ouch! Okay. Beep boop beep boop boop boop. A bunch of computer noises. What is your name? I need to know your name, so I know how to call you Harold. That's the name. Okay. What is it? Stomach ache. Okay. And then you need herbs. Okay. I'll give you herbs. I'll give you herbs. Okay. There we go. Yay! You're now better. Yay! Hello. I'm sorry for waiting. For taking a million years. Here's a photo. Okay, I'll just get you there. I don't even care about your name. I will be in room 2. I keep hearing whispers down the hall. What do you mean? Let me go to the other room. Yay! Oh, they're right there. Patient DNA. Ouchie! Ouch!
Give me your DNA! Give me your analysis of name.
My doctor is arriving. The doctor. Hello, doctor.
Why is he just called the doctor? I'm called the doctor.
Wait, do I see the doctor?
You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow.
Okay.
I didn't know their names.
Twinkie Loga, you're rude. Some advice.
If things get strange, just keep working.
Okay, that's so helpful.
I will be in the shoulders and security cameras for you. I'll fix it up.
I will be in the... Oh, what is this? 2 patients treated.
Oh, I heard about that. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, I got 62,763 bucks. Okay.
Where do I go? I don't know where I'm going. Okay, never mind.
I'm here for my appointment. Oh, why do you look like that?
I'm scared.
You're twitching.
I don't like you. Reject!
Oh, I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Unbelievable! I came all this way! Mad face!
What do I do now? What do I do now?
Rejected? Me? How dare you?
Oh no! Oh no!
I'm Haruo Ito. I want to check in as a patient.
I messed up. I didn't know that. Okay.
Here's your photo. Why is it blank?
Oh, there we go. I messed up.
I doubt it's gonna be a 3 or 2 and 1.
I messed up.
Okay, you seem cool. I got room 1. Okay. Oh, wait, I think I've seen this guy. I think I've seen this guy before.
I messed up. Hey there, friend. I'm Barney. Can you give me a coffee?
Okay.
I had a long day. Give coffee. Thanks, friend. I needed that.
Okay.
I will remember this.
Ah. I can't believe I already got my other stuff. Ouch! Huh? Wait, what? Rash. Oh no. Oh, Yay! Okay. I hope you're not new at this. I have other things to do. Bro, you're rude! You're rude!
Oh! No wonder why you're rude. You look ugly.
What? Hello! I met your twin. Your name is Toby Smith.
I got room 2.
Wait, what? Wait, room 2. Huh? Oh, wait a minute. I'll check. What? Why do you get room 2, huh? Oh, wait, I need to, like, pay attention to them.
Oh, let's just get rid of some backup stuff.
Ow! Ouch! Oh, wait, you need something else. You need whatever that is. Canadian? Canadian? Oh, no. Oh, who are you? Wait a minute. I've seen you before. You're small. Oh. This place gives me the creeps. This place gives me the creeps because of you. Hello. I'm here to follow you. Where's the sprint? Okay, there we go. You're not opening the door. Okay, never mind.
This is taking years!
Okay, you want that thingy. Okay. You want the phenomenon. Phenomenon. Doctor is arriving. Oh no.
Oh no.
Hey, doctor. I kicked some people out by mistake. I didn't mean to. I'm opening new facilities for you. Bye. The private stock will be open. Why are you attacking the wall? The place to open another time and ship. Okay. Oh, hello there. Hello. Where are you? What did you tell me? Oh no, I'm scared. Oh, no, it's rented. Excellent. Okay, I doubt that. I got $1 million for that. Hello there. What's your name? You have no name. That thingy. Talk. I got room 7.
What are you?
Run! What are you doing? How do I get rid of you? Oh, I'm supposed to be paying attention to the security camera. I want to turn. Run! Run, girl, run! 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 I never watched a tutorial for this! I spilled coffee on you? Coffee! Here! Have it! No, you can't have it. Okay. What do I do? What do I do? Are you just gonna be standing there for nothing? Talk! Thanks! Okay, you better run! You better run! What? Why is it flickering? I'm Louis Chogan Joshi. I want to take it as a patient. You better run! What are you doing? I'm so confused. I can't do anything. Why'd you close the window? You're weird. Oh! He broke the thing! Where are my people? Where are my people? What is that? What is that? What? What? Hello? This is gonna take hours. Yeah, right. It's gonna take hours. I'm panicking. How do I avoid that people? Okay. That actually scared me. My heart is beating. Love sugar. What do I do for that?
Oh, the maple syrup thingy again.
Hello there, you again. You want coffee probably, right? Oh, give coffee, oops. You are the best. Ouch!
Here's your coffee. Give me coffee. I need the coffee.
You're bleeding. Oh god, what do I do for that? Wait, what's this? Oh no, there's another person here. I didn't really... Hello? You want that? Whatever that is. Oh! 9! I'm gonna get the Canadian.
Why does that even exist?
Low sugar and flu, okay. Okay, I have that already. How do I give you this? Why is it not letting me? I knew you need a Canadian. Am I here? Dang. Ah, wait a minute, you're the last one! Thank you! Oh, sugar, it's blue.
You're taking years.
What do we do about this window? Wait, what's up, patient?
Six, seven.
Where? Where's the other patient? Oh, you, hello. Maybe you're not dying. Oh, you're the one who's like, oh, like, I don't want to talk.
The doctor is arriving.
I'm scared. Why aren't you helping me? This guy broke my window and I'm sad.
Some patients may seem instable.
Yeah, how did I survive that?
Make sure to use the film.
Camera scaler. Oh! How do I get the other guy? I don't want the taser. Use it wisely. Taser! Yay! Good. Why did I do good, huh? Hello there. Oh no, you're a good guy. Yeah, you haunted me earlier. My name is Ratatouille. Ratatouille. What are your legs? Don't trust anyone here. Okay. We have a bunch of weird looking things. Why?
I have an appointment.
Dot. I'm here for my appointment. You're my first patient that I'm gonna be dealing with. You better not do anything weird.
No! I didn't pay attention to the Canadian.
Oh, who are you? What room are you being? I made a patient die. Let's hope you're not Canadian, Ron. Aw, look at you. Goodbye.
Are you Canadian? Why do you need two of them? Blue, red, blue, that color.